Hey guys, look over here. Fire Group here. Today I'm making a video, but I'll be like, say if you want this shirt with the Pop Rock Star, what I made, but I'll be making it cheaper right now. But this is my start of it. This shirt right here, the picture right here.
What are you doing?
Will be the new logo for my YouTube channel.
I hope he didn't get that there.
I'll do the Pop Rock Star. Sorry about the
I thought he
background.
put his back. I hope it wasn't his head.
So yeah,
Hey, you need to get down. You don't need up here right now.
I'll be making it like 20 Robux or 10 or 5. I don't know, but shut up. I don't know yet, but so yeah. If you want to buy it, right now after this video, go ahead. Go on my account, write it. And my username
You're not the Indian look kind of person. But it does protect that down there.
my
Also.
Roblox
How old is this
to my
now?
YouTube channel. My Roblox account will be linked and down in the description below for you guys can check out my channel with my Roblox account. Add me. Wait, you can't add me. But sorry. I almost they tell them to subscribe, but I meant to say you guys subscribe. But then go here the second one and then click this. Don't click that. Right here, if you want to buy it early, I don't care. Then boom, you'll get this shirt. Do the Pop Rock Star. Hang on. Let me see if it's in the catalog. Clothing, shirts. The Pop Rock Star. Boom! It's the very first one. Do the Pop Rock Star. Look, guys. Do the Pop Rock Star. Boom. Boom. Boom.
God, it sounds like a herd running through the house.
Oh my god. But look, I do like Rockstar. Like so many. With the pop roll. There's like so many. Oh, they literally had a GTA 5 Rockstar symbol on a Roblox shirt. Oh my god. Yeah, but if you want to buy off the catalog, just type do the Pop Rock Star, and you don't have to search for hours. Just boom right there. And this is my coolest shirt. I was about to say yeah, but so let me show you all the other shirts I made. See my inventory. Shirts.
You're what?
First, here's my sister's shirt, but here's the very first Roblox shirt I ever made with it. These criteria pretty good. The second shirt, I don't know why they had shot too quick, but too quick forever.
Why are you hitting him?
That way I'm making.
Don't hit him.
Then boom, boom.
You need to stop swinging
Sorry
like
about
that.
the background. I'm very sorry. I'm just getting very busy. Then
You
boom.
can scoot up a little bit.
Right. And then I made this shirt from my bladder. And they boom blocks. But it's still not found yet. Then this is a shirt I'm gonna wear for Halloween what I made. It's pretty good. And here's my sister's shirt I made and I had it for $5 so she can buy it. It's called Pink Star or Kaya. If you want to buy this, my coolest one, do the Pop Rock Star. It's super easy to get. So yeah. That's the end of the video. Bye.